Sometimes the role of customer experience manager can seem impossible. There are many demands on your time, focus, and priorities in any given day. Customers expect quality software on time and on budget. However, the requirements continue to change again and again. Many of today's smart software companies have moved from waterfall project management styles due to the mounting pitfalls and on to an agile approach. Agile project management will allow project managers and the teams they are managing to hit critical milestones and provide executives with what they are asking for, which is a fast, accurate project status, even when the scope and deliverables are ever-changing and a moving target. Company NFK has over 20 years of experience in customer experience management and specializes in creating technological solutions to help clients effectively and efficiently manage their customer care, including IT services and customer service. Company NFK assists clients with both their digital and mobile CRM IT projects. Company NFK has been acquired by Company XYZ to work together on rebranding their current CRM solution, and a project management team has been created. The PMO will be Kevin, the business analyst will be Simone, and the development team will be Lou, Tony, Amanda, and Mark. The ops team still needs to be determined. Company XYZ has an expectation of faster delivery system or better software, which requires a shift from waterfall to agile. Some of the team members are feeling under pressure by the agile methodology and are struggling to see the true value in the processes. The current solution has 7 channels: email, calls, ticketing, notification, conversational SMS, chat by a third-party tool, Do You Dream Up, and social. The two companies need to build a global team that has members from each company who are experts on the CRM solution and building CRM solutions that contain different channels. The rebranding of the CRM solution has one constraint: reuse of the existing conversational module. Company XYZ no longer wants to use the third-party tool for chat and wants to independently recreate their own version so it can be owned and managed by them. The mistake some of our teams have made is that they have proven to be successful with one agile team, and then as we are growing, we continue to add more and more users to the project and more teams working on them without truly looking at how to prepare for that growth. Before we know it, there are a hodgepodge of teams using their own tools to manage their workload. These tools, however, don't always align and speak the same way to others, or roll up into a clear software vision. The global team needs to share the methods and tools. They need to onboard and train new members on the existing platform, and they need to start with a team that will have a limited scope. Company XYZ has decided that they want to begin with revamping their current conversational chat module. They want live chat with agents so they can put instant support with their desktop from their peers and some experts. They want customers to be able to engage with the brand using the chat box on the website, as well as a proactive chat. And they want a chat box to appear on a website only when some rules are matched, such as the availability status of agents and time spent on the website. We do struggle to have a greater visibility and continuous feedback, which is imperative to our project. We understand that agile project managers must react very quickly to change and bottlenecks in the development process, but the strategy is different from waterfall, and with any type of change, hiccups are expected. Change management overall is a structured approach for ensuring that changes are thoroughly and smoothly implemented and that the lasting benefits of change are achieved. The focus on the wider impacts of change, particularly on people and how they as individual teams move from the current situation to a new one. So the problem in this scenario to be solved is that the adoption and change management of teams during the switchover from waterfall to agile to achieve the following as a company: faster delivery of better software, creation of the rebranded chat module, and coordinating between the different teams and tasks, and resource sharing and planning. Change management from waterfall to agile methodologies. One critical job function of a customer experience manager is to meet project objectives while creating a constant formula for least cost, best return on investment processes. Our company can adopt agile project management with Scrum tools that make this easy and repeatable for multiple projects and teams, even when they are across many different physical locations. By centrally managing all requirements, requests, tasks, tests, and defects into a real-time tool, the change to becoming agile project managers can streamline cross-team collaboration and decision-making while eliminating waste and giving executives and auditors the numbers they need, exactly when they need them. 12 principles that guide Agile. Customer satisfaction is always the highest priority and achieved through rapid and continuous delivery. Changing environments are embraced at any stage of the process to be provided the customer with a competitive advantage. A product or service is delivered with high frequency. Stakeholders and developers collaborate closely on a daily basis. All stakeholders and team members remain motivated for optimal project outcomes, while teams are prompted with all of the necessary tools and support and are tested to accomplish project goals. Face-to-face meetings are deemed the most efficient and effective format for project success. A final working product is the ultimate measure to success. Sustainable development is accomplished through agile processes whereby development teams and stakeholders are able to maintain a constant and ongoing pace. Agility is enhanced through a continuous focus on technical excellence and proper design. Simplicity is an essential element. Self-organized teams are most likely to develop the best architectures and designs and to meet the requirements. Regular intervals are used by teams to improve efficiency through fine-tuning behaviors. Benefits of using Agile. In the customer experience management field, Agile provides project teams, sponsors, project leaders, and customers many project-specific benefits, including rapid development of solutions, reduction of waste, increased flexibility and adaptability to change, increased success through focused efforts, faster turnaround times, faster detection of issues and defects, optimized development process, a lightweight framework, optimal project control, increased focus on specific customer needs, and increased frequency of collaboration and feedback. Overall return on investment. In the customer experience management field, Agile provides project teams, sponsors, project leaders, and customers many project-specific benefits. Get their buy-in. So to get their buy-in, explaining to the teams how they can calculate return on investment for a product feature. The sponsors invest in the product and they can ask what is the revenue they get from a product feature. How do you estimate that revenue and that will come from the product feature? As a product owner, how do I calculate return on revenue? Value can be viewed in two different ways: value for the organization and value for the customers. A proper team room meeting or times needs to be established. So we're expanding our company to go from NFK, which was acquired by XYZ. We're going to have global outreach and we need to meet that geographical location requirements. Short iterations. Our teams, since they are growing, should adapt iterations that are only 1 week long, so the teams will move through the stages of team development, forming, storming, norming, and performing much more quickly than the longer iterations, or no iterations leading to higher productivity sooner rather than the ability for new members to form cumbersome side teams. This will eliminate the hodgepodge teams that we're seeing created. High-speed development is done with high-quality development. This can reduce defecate rates of 5% or less once teams have test-driven the development. This saves the time delivering projects faster than expected. It can be easy to see Agile delivers a high return on investment as compared to waterfall or any other traditional approaches. Using Scrum gives you a potentially shippable product at the end of every sprint. company, NFK could release better software at regular intervals. Scrum can be created, named chat. After creating the project, we must create the backlog, aka the product backlog, which will contain an ongoing list of the team's potential workload for the product. So we want to create a live chat or a proactive chat option. The need for live chat and proactive chat options is that as an agent, I can get instant support ultimately within my desktop from my peers or some experts. Create the sprint. So once a sprint canvas is determined, the teams perpetually operate on the canvas fixed length sprints. We are recommending 6 weeks in length. Using Scrum of Scrums, the sprint planning meeting, the entire team discusses the sprint goal and the stories in the prioritized product backlog. Hold the daily stand-up meetings, and then view the burn down chart. So monitor burn down chart, which shows the estimated amount of work that needs to still be done in the sprint. View the sprint report. Monitor progress and purposes of the sprint. Hold the sprint view meetings. Share a meeting where the team shows what they've shipped in that sprint. Hold the sprint retrospectives meeting, and then complete the sprint. Move issues to the backlog, move the issues to a future sprint, or move the issues to a new sprint.